Okay, good evening. Welcome to
MinuteMath number 148.
MinuteMath number 148. Okay, this is an awesome problem from the Mathematical Association of America's MinuteMath page. Hope I'm not ruining your brother's picture here. It's a problem about speed and distance, okay, which we've talked a little bit about. On a dark and stormy night, Snoopy suddenly saw a flash of lightning. 10 seconds later, he heard the sound of thunder. If the speed of sound is 1,088 feet per second, and 1 mile is 5,280 feet, approximate to the nearest half mile how far away from the lightning Snoopy was. Okay, do you understand the problem?
Yeah.
All right, tell me a little bit about how you're going to solve this problem.
Well, I can round the distance of a mile and the sound speed.
Okay.
We can say the sound was about 1,100 feet per second.
Okay, the speed of sound, we'll say sound is approximately 1,100 feet per second. Okay, that's good.
And we can say the mile is approximately 5,300 feet.
Okay, that makes the numbers a little easier.
Because we have 10. So first he sees the flash of lightning.
Yeah.
Then 10 seconds later, he hears the sound of thunder.
Okay.
So that means 110. The sound travels 110 feet in 10 seconds.
How did you figure that out?
Well, I just took off this 0 because this is per 1 second.
Okay.
No, wait. Ugh. Oh, I messed up a little.
Yeah, what did you do?
I accidentally divided this by 10.
Okay, and how can you tell real quick that that's wrong?
Because 2 seconds is 2,200.
Okay, so it doesn't go 1,110 feet in 10 seconds. How far does it go in 10 seconds?
It goes 11,000.
11,000 feet about. Okay, great.
So
So that's how far the sound traveled in 10 seconds.
well, that's pretty close to 2 miles, 2.5 miles. 2 1/5 miles.
Well, okay.
Well, we've approximated this.
Okay, so we know a mile is about 5,300 feet, and we know the sound traveled about 11,000 feet, and we want to figure about how far that is. So first of all, it says approximate to the nearest half mile. So we want to find out, like, what two things this is in between 11,000 feet.
Well, it's between 3 miles and 2 miles.
Okay, so 11,000 feet is between 2 miles, because 2 miles is about how far?
It's about 10,000 feet.
Okay, and what's 3 miles about?
3 miles, well, it's 15,900.
Okay, 3 miles. Okay, now, how far is 2.5 miles then? Because it does say approximate to the nearest half mile.
Well, if we use this approximation,
Yeah, so how far would 2 miles be using that approximation?
it'll be 10,600.
Okay, and then how much do we have to add to that?
You have to add half of this.
Okay.
Well, half of 5,000 is 2,000. It's 2,500.
Okay, so we gotta add 2,500, and then we gotta also add half
Add
of 300.
150.
Okay. Okay, so that's about, let's just call that about 13,000, just
Yeah.
to say it's approximately. Okay,
So this is less than 2.5 miles.
10,600. Okay, so which is it closer to? 2 miles or 2.5 miles? Because on the test, they were both choices.
So it's closer to 2 miles.
It's closer to 2 miles. In fact, it's almost exactly 2 miles. Right?
Yeah, it's just a little bit more.
It's just a little bit more than 2 miles, and it's pretty far away. It's about 2,000 feet away from this, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so 2 miles. Okay. Good job. So,
And if you did it with these numbers, that would make it really hard.
not super hard, a little bit harder. I think rounding was a good idea. So the picture here is we have a person, and we have a bolt of lightning which travels very fast, and then the sound also came a little slower, and we just had to figure out how far that was. Okay?
Mhm.
All right, good job. About 2 miles.